Hello students, I'm Naveen Elawat. I will teach you concept of factors, multiples, HCF and LCM in mathematics today. Let us take a number 10. Factors are numbers equal to or less than this number which can perfectly divide this given number are called factors. Equal to or less than. First I am taking 10. 10 can divide this number perfectly. Then 5. 5 can also divide this number. 2, 1. All these numbers can perfectly divide 10. These are called factors. Numbers equal to or less than those can perfectly divide the given number are called its factors. Now take the concept of multiples. What are the multiples? Multiples are those numbers equal to or greater than this number which can be perfectly divided by the given number. First we take 10. 10 can be divided by this 10 perfectly, not in decimal places. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. All these are called multiples. Take another number 30. Now what are the factors of 30? Numbers equal to or less than this number which can perfectly divide the given number. 30 is the greatest factor. Then 15, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1. These can perfectly divide 30. All these are called factors of 30. And multiples are those numbers equal to or greater than which can be perfectly divided by the given number. 30 is the lowest multiple. Then we have 60, 90, 120, 150 and so on. Now you have understood the concept of factors and multiples. Now we have two more terms to understand. First is HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. H stands for highest, C for common, F for factor. First take this common factor. What are the common factors of these two numbers? Single number HCF is not possible. At least you need two numbers to find out HCF. You can use this formula to find out HCF of 3 numbers, 4 numbers. So common factor is 30. 30 is present here but not there. 15 is present here, not there. 10. 10 is present here and here also. So it is a common factor. Then 5 is present here also and there also. 2 is present here, there also. 1 is present here, there also. But one important term is H. H stands for highest. What is the highest common factor? All are common factors. 10 present here, there, 5, 5, 2, 2, 1, 1 is here and there also. H is highest, stands for highest. Here 10 is the highest common factor. So 10 is answer. In this way, we have understood the concept of HCF. Similarly, there is one more term which is widely used in mathematics, LCM. LCM means L for lowest, C for common, M for multiple. Lowest common multiple. First find common multiple for these two numbers. 30 is present here, 30 is present there, 10, 20 are there but not here. So 30 is first multiple which is common for them. Then after 30 there is here 60 and there also present 30, 60. These are the multiples present here. But we need to find lowest common multiple. Which is the lowest? Lowest is 30. So 30 is our LCM. In this way, we have understood the concept of factors, multiples, HCF and LCM. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.